How to fix Real Racing 3 not downloading. Hey guys, I'll show you 5 fast, easy, and effective ways to fix this problem. Let's get started. First, go to your settings. After that, scroll down and tap on battery. Then go to storage. Now to download Real Racing 3, you need to have at least 3 to 4 gigabytes of free space on your device. Only then game download properly. To free up space, you can empty your trash and remove some unnecessary files. Once you've done that, restart your phone one time. After the restart, try downloading the game again. If it's still not working, press and hold the Play Store app. After that, tap the info icon. Then go to storage, and then tap clear cache. Once the cache has been cleared, restart your phone one more time. Then try downloading the game again. If it's still not working, don't worry. The next step is very important. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data and try again. If you're using mobile data, switch to a Wi-Fi connection and try again. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're still having the same problem, uninstall the app and then install it again. Still got a problem? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.